Hey everyone! To check exactly where Google Drive is installed on your Mac, first, go ahead and open the Google Drive app. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app and select Preferences. Then, click the gear icon again in the new window to open your Advanced Settings. Now, look under the Google Drive Streaming Location section. You'll see a file path there. Go ahead and copy that path. You'll notice it's typically installed in the Cloud Storage folder, which is located inside your current user's library folder. Once you've copied that path, open up Finder. Press Shift-Command-G to bring up the Go To folder window. Paste the path you just copied and hit Return. And there you are. You now have direct access to your Google Drive folder. If you want to double-check, you can right-click on the folder and select Get Info. Here, you'll see the actual storage size taking up space right inside this specific folder.